In this video, you'll learn how to post a thread on the Threads app. I'll show you everything you need to know about creating a thread. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Threads app and then tap on this button at the bottom center. And now you have the ability to create a new thread. So go ahead and type in whatever you want. You can also attach photos or videos to your thread. To do that, tap on this button over here. Just tap and select your photo or video, and then tap Add at the top right corner of the screen. So now all you have to do next is tap Post. The threads that you posted will also appear on your profile. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.